Honorable Deputy Speaker, His Excellency shared his experience as a youth in Macuata, spent with the Indo-Fijian families during sugarcane harvesting season. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the Honorable Speaker will be very familiar with this experience, having served at the then Native Land Trust Board in the Western and Northern Division. Most of the Taukeis in the Western and Northern Division speak fluent Hindi, and even the Indo-Fijian community do speak the local dialect. Honorable Deputy Speaker, our two major ethnic communities in Fiji have always lived in harmony together. As national leaders, we must set the tone so that many of our political followers can spread the same message. Unfortunately, most of us sitting on this side of the House and our supporters face direct and racial discriminatory attacks online. Keyboard warriors constantly labeling FijiFirst as an Indo-Fijian party or anti-Itaukei. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the reformers post-2006 coup reviewed the Itaukei institution under the process of the People's Charter, so that the Itaukei Affairs Board, TLTB Board, and the Itaukei Trust Fund Board play the role of the GCC in formulating policies for the good governance of the Itaukei people. Many saw these changes not done with the prior and informed consent of the indigenous community as anti-Itaukei. Honorable Deputy Speaker, in fact, if FijiFirst was anti-Itaukei, then the time the coalition government came through into power in December 2022, all the investments of the Itaukei Trust Fund would not be there anymore. The FijiFirst government expanded the Itaukei Trust Fund investment portfolio, and many benefited in terms of leadership training at Nandawe, indigenous studies, publication of traditional writings, etc. This has enabled the Itaukei Trust Fund to explore heritage tourism, partnering with UNDP under the Business Ready support scheme, and most importantly, funds that were invested by FijiFirst for the Itaukei people has now been used to host the GCC meetings. Honorable Deputy Speaker, FijiFirst in 2015 rolled out the Itaukei Land Development Grant. In 2017, established the seed fund for Itaukei landowners to provide an opportunity for them to participate in any income-generating project of their choice. Now the coalition government has established a wealth fund from the 10% of TLTB's annual earnings to allow landowning units to buy properties and start business ventures. FijiFirst introduced the equal lease distribution policy. Now the coalition government has introduced the percentage distribution of Turanga Itaukei, Turanga Niavus, and Turanga Matangalis. The landowning unit members still get their same share basis, and minors fund for children to withdraw at the age of 18, introduced by FijiFirst, is continued by the coalition government. Honorable Deputy Speaker, every time a bill is introduced in Parliament to amend or repeal an act that was enacted by the FijiFirst government, the coalition members, like small kids celebrating a revenge, make sweeping statements like, this is due to the mismanagement of the previous government, these draconian laws by the previous government, today is a day of freedom, etc. Honorable Deputy Speaker, this type of statements has fueled communal differences within our society, labeling FijiFirst as anti-Itaukei and making us look like criminals, does not assist in trying to establish walking across the aisle.